The vast majority of when somebody says they need to pose you an inquiry, you review every one of the terrible things you have done. As of late, snickering brings down the degree of chemicals, also fortifies the insusceptible framework in the greater part of the way of life. Men view that as more youthful ladies are more appealing than more seasoned ladies, while ladies are drawn in towards more established men. Psychoticism is deficient in sympathy, horrible, a recluse, forceful, and inconvenient at the point when you lose your cash. You lose nothing at the point when you lose your well-being. You lose something at the point when you lose your personality. You lose everything at the point when we are undermined. We put forth a valiant effort to adoring, cherishing, caring, tranquil, make others accept we are great individuals. One of the hardest things isn't talking to somebody you use to converse with each day at the point when you wheeze. You are not dreaming. The most perilous individual to be with is someone that would rather not love you, yet additionally doesn't have any desire to lose you in the event that you can bear to eat 3 feasts a day for quite a long time straight. You are in the main 15% of the most extravagant individuals on the planet. Individuals who shower first thing in the morning will generally be more imaginative, useful, and alert. The best inclination comes when you understand that you're entirely blissful without the individuals you assumed you really wanted. Most canines can see bitterness in people and frequently endeavor to satisfy their proprietors by starting snuggling individuals who lose their virginity late. More seasoned than 19, have a higher pay, advanced education, and a more solid relationship further down the road. And those who lost their virginity before unfamiliar brings internal strength and fearlessness. So that is vital for good well-being. In some cases, you simply have to separate yourself from individuals, assuming they care. They'll take note on the off chance that they don't. You know where you stand with them. Try not to power anybody to remain in your life in the event that they truly need you. They will remain on the off chance that a companionship endures longer than 7 years. Clinicians say it will last a lifetime. Covertly believing you're better compared to every other person is really great for your psychological well-being. Mentally harmed individuals tend to be the most grounded in light of the fact that they know they can endure anything. Torment reinforces the psyche. Individuals who see themselves as appealing are more inclined to act childishly, thanks to mental qualification. Try not to cherish what you can't confide in. Try not to despise what you can't have. Try not to express out loud whatever you can't show. Try not to decide what you don't have the foggiest idea.